This is your host, Jose Aliaga, and welcome to the Jose Aliaga Show. Um, Very interesting. Today is January 1st. Every single American person wake up this morning and we saw the sad news about what happened in New Orleans. 10 people dead because somebody was driving and killed several people. 20 more, it's estimated 20 people are injured, and some police officer got shot. And it's a speculation from there that it could be a terrorist attack. And it was a couple other events happening across our country as well. Um, well, I want to show some footage and be careful with this footage because it can be very impactful. So let me show you what I got, and we're going to talk about this.
Thanks so much, Jonathan. Now we want to get back to that breaking news coming out of New Orleans this morning. Police say a mass casualty event has occurred after a car crashed into a group of pedestrians during a New Year's Day celebration happening down on Bourbon Street. You're taking a look at footage of the crime scene captured just a couple minutes ago. The Associated Press now reporting at least 10 people are dead, 30 more injured. Bourbon Street, of course, an iconic part of downtown New Orleans. Today, it's a day filled with celebrations there, of course, folks ringing in the new year. You also have
First of all, we do know that the city of New Orleans was impacted by a terrorist attack. It's all still under investigation.
We had this event started at about 3:15. It did involve a man driving a pickup truck down Bourbon Street at a very fast pace, and it was very intentional behavior. This man was trying to run over as many people as he possibly could.
So it was very sad to see this video, and especially when we find out that more than 20 people were injured. The estimate is 35 people. 2 police officers got shot. And if you see the video that I show you, there's a lot of people were laying on the ground. And then also it was found some explosive there. So obviously the police react in New Orleans and they shut down this guy. So it's a lot of investigations. The FBI is there now conducting this investigation to find out who is this guy, what his motive, and it seems like it was premeditated for what they found in his vehicle. I'm gonna show you the plate of the vehicle and everything. So you have more information that you can add and help the law enforcement down there. That will be very helpful. But well, Stay tuned. I will continue to report more. I investigating more and more about this, and we're probably gonna find more about that. All right. I hope everything is good. And then please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe on my channel for more information. And then thank you. Adios.